Welcome to a brief orientation and introduction to the Nursing Informatics course. In this presentation, you will be given some useful information and tips to help you be successful in this course. This information is designed to make this course easier for you, so please pay close attention to the information provided. This is a brief presentation to give you an overview of the course. It will explain the basic content to be covered in the course and the hardware and software required. It is not a substitute for a thorough reading of the course syllabus, which is the ultimate guide to the course. The Institute of Medicine has defined informatics as one of the core competencies for all healthcare providers. In its simplest definition, informatics is the use of information technology in healthcare. Its focus is not simply on computers, but on information management. A nurse's ability to find, manage, and use information effectively will determine the quality of care his or her patients receive. Medical care is becoming more dependent upon technology, not less, and the professional nurse must be proficient in the use and management of technology in order to be effective in modern healthcare. To that end, this course will encompass two main content areas: understanding technology and clinical reasoning and information literacy. The first and most obvious content area is gaining a strong knowledge of technology. This will include understanding and using hardware and software. Just as a nurse can't care for a patient without understanding anatomy and physiology, so a nurse can't meet the information demands of a computerized healthcare setting without understanding the basics of computer architecture and how to use the most common types of software. Secondly, but just as importantly, this course will cover clinical reasoning and information literacy. While technology can store and sort data, it's the nurse's ability to find, manage, and use that information that makes the data useful in patient care. To that end, each week this course will contain a module on clinical reasoning and information literacy that will focus on one specific type of data to help you understand how to locate, identify, and assess that type of evidence. Because this is an informatics course, this course will require the use of a computer to complete assignments every week for both online and HEC or web-enhanced sections. The computer need not be new or expensive. PCs are the course standard and assignments are designed for PCs. Students who wish to use Macs may do so at their own risk. Though they should be able to complete the assignments, it is the student's responsibility to assure that their software is able to perform all of the course tasks. You will need a microphone to record your final project. Again, nothing fancy is needed. The built-in microphone in most laptops or webcams will work just fine. I would, however, caution you to be sure it works well before you need it. Don't wait until the last minute to set things up. In addition, this course will require Microsoft Office as we will be using Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This software is available free to SPC students. Information on obtaining the software is available on the course resources page. If you do not have a PC computer or microphone, both are available for your use at the HEC library at no cost. All other SPC libraries will have computers available free for student use, but may or may not have the microphones available. My final and most important thought to you is don't procrastinate. There are multiple assignments and there is something due every single week in this course. It's critical that you understand each one before you progress to the next. If you're always doing the work at the last moment, you'll never absorb the material you need to. Plan ahead so that if you have technical glitches, you have time to fix them. Be sure that your software is installed and working as soon as possible. Confirm that your microphone is connected and functioning well before the final project is due. Finally, relax. This course is designed to be something fun and useful that will help you advance in your professional career.